frame beam was corroded here, so I need to put some thicker material here. So then let it burn.
I'm from Finland.
Take it out. Hi, I am Sami and I want to be Overlander. First, I revealed my ego. Hello, welcome to Wannabe Overlander YouTube channel, and today we continue to rebuild this T4 Volkswagen, and we start to make some patch repairs here. I'm going to measure the hole and then we go cut the new metal, sheet metal, and then we are going to weld it here. So let's continue. I think it's better if we make it just a little bit wider than this hole, so it's easier to welding, and there is only a tiny gap for which goes over. And then I need to clean this area from the color and this area from the rust. So let's go to cut sheet metal. Put something welding primer here. It can a little bit help for corrosion protection, because anyway where I weld it's burned off. Okay, that's it for today. I'm just put a little bit primer here and I'm continue after tomorrow, I think so. First spatches, 3 spatches here, and this is going well. So let's continue. This is how you need to cleaning it, and then you put some welding primer there. So this primer not block me access to welding. So now we give it to dry, and then I cut the new spatch metal here and I'm able to weld it. So anyway, this color will burn out where the welds go, but the primer still stays in the center of the area. So it have a little bit more corrosion protection than without the primer. This weird looking piece I cut to rebuild this hole up of the suspension, but I think this is gonna be very fine to put it here. This weld is this metal to attach to that enforcement piece in behind the fender. So this is just the fender, I should weld it with the lower power. So now it's solid. I'm going a little bit grinding it. Definitely solid already, but it's not very nice in there. But when I put the grip on there, then nobody doesn't know. Yeah, just put the primer on and they are fine. Okay, that's it about this painting and this patch repairs. Later I'm going to put some glue there. This one is I think it's a ribbon or something, I don't know what is exactly English name, but then it's gonna be waterproof and nobody gonna see this when the floor coming here, so they be solid like that. Then I'm going to repair another side, and last thing is in the rear. Here I need to repair also this frame structures. So let's see what we found here. There is some small rust holes. There's no hole, but it's a little bit rusty. I'm going to put some cavity wax there and then just paint. And now this frame beam was corroded here, so I need to put some thicker material here. And then I'm going to put under here a 1.5 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter thick metal, so there is no this bendings, but it's going to be very strong anyway. So here you can see how corroded this was, but it's not a big problem because I put a thicker material here. let's start to cut material, sheet metal, and start to welding it. So I cut this kind of piece of metal, and this is 2 millimeter thick, and I'm going to put it in here. I need to make some slots here because there is some bolts coming, so they have place. I can weld it from this side, and then I need to weld from inside. I'm gonna weld this here. Yeah, I think it's fine. Then I can go weld from down. So then let it burn. Let it burn. I put this another one here too as well. So, just weld and finish. I'm going to try to put a little bit more power there because I want to weld them very well. They are rock solid. Okay, I ended up this today because it's already over 9 o'clock and I lazy to start the welding today. But now the patches are in the place and the frame is fixed already, and here is, you can see this thick metal here. It's a 2 millimeter, and I repaired this floor with the 1.5 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter. So it's gonna be strong than factory made, I think. So, and it's gonna last how long time I need to use this car. So that's it today. Hi, my name is Sami and I wanna be Overlander, but first I need to rebuild this van. Okay, today I get package from original classic parts Volkswagen, so let's see what we got today. Oh, yeah. These are nice. They are to the front, behind the front bumper. These days I have been mostly welding. Finally, I'm going to weld this 100% anyway. I don't know why, but I'm a 100% guy, not a 50% guy. I still have this original factory cavity wax. It's somewhere boiling up. It's got to keep cooling sometimes, otherwise it's gonna have some major disforming. I don't know what is this one. I think I'm going to dismount it I don't have any use for this. I need to drill these holes out and then the pop up. This is gonna make a problem with the flooring. Now here in the rear area, rust repairs are done. I just put something primer a little bit there so I can continue to another places. I have 2 places holes in the driver's area, but this section is complete done now. This is just temporary priming, waiting for real paint. Meaning of this is so it's not get any corrosion there before real painting. That's it. Let's move on. Okay, I peel off a little bit this ribbon here. This joint sealant, but it's a bit different, bit hard to clear with this tool, so I try this one. I don't know what is in English name, but Finnish name. In Finland we call this piikkisika. I need to find those spot weld spots so I can try to drill them out. But I think I can find them quite well. There is some weldings but I need to cut out. Cannot drill, I think so. I think I can't dig them out more than that, so that's it. I'm start getting this off. I can't see. There are last spot welds. They are kind of difficult places. They have some hidden weldings inside there. I don't know how I can make them back there. I think now I can get this off. Yeah. You see how rotten is it? How rotten it is. So now just something cleaning here, fixing these weldings here first, and then put the new part in. So I show you. This is the new beam. So this lid should somehow welding there first. Yeah, this is gonna be something like that here.
I will end this episode here, otherwise it will be too long. In the next episode I will install these outriggers. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thank you for watching and see you in next episode.
This area to straight. So I started. So let's try to put it in vise. This looks very brutal.